you have a 2006 to 2008 Ram and you want to upgrade to this right here, which is the world's brightest LED bulb, it's the Ultra 3 bulb, to replace those halogen H13 bulbs, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how much brighter it is and of course how to install it. It's super easy, let's get rolling. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. Now, an H13 halogen bulb does both low beam and high beam, and this is a reflector-based housing, which essentially means you have a bunch of mirrors inside. It's bouncing that light off of a specific point inside of that headlight from the wire-wound filament of that halogen bulb, and then projecting down the road to give you a really good beam pattern. Now, the GTR lighting bulb, the Ultra 2 that came out years ago, replicated this bulb very, very well. But the Ultra 3, let me tell you, does so much better. It is more refined, it's a more controlled beam pattern, and it's even more intense. So I'm gonna show you that now. I'm gonna back this truck up 10 meters from the wall. I'm gonna use a digital lux meter that measures the actual usable brightness at the brightest point on the wall. It's gonna be the benchmark to then compare the Ultra 2 and then the GTR Lighting Ultra 3. Now straight away, this is what your stock halogen lights look like from the factory, and this is not what you want on a massive truck. This is not bright, it's not wide, it's this dingy yellow color, it's not good at all. It was really easy to make a solid improvement. I only measured 450 maximum lux. Years ago when the Ultra 2 came out, I measured 1,660 maximum lux. So years ago, this bulb was 269% brighter than your stock bulbs. That's already a major improvement. It's a bright white color, it's super wide, it's gonna keep you safe, and obviously it's not scattering the light all over the place. Now, GTR Lighting went one step further with their Ultra 3. Low beam, we measured 2,390 maximum lux at the brightest point on the wall. That means that this bulb in particular on low beam is 431% brighter than your stock halogen bulbs. This is a set it and forget it product, and it's honestly a no-brainer. Again, it's not scattering that light. The one thing you do want to note is that the color temperature is a little different than the Ultra 2 bulb. As you can see, it's maybe a little bit more warm light. It's a little bit easier on the eyes when you're driving long distances. High beam was not good because, again, that bulb is an H13 bulb that does both low beam and high beam, so it doesn't get that much better. Only 580 maximum lux at the brightest point on the wall. That is trash. The Ultra 2 bulb on high beam, I measured 1,700 maximum lux, so it was 193% brighter than your stock bulbs. That's a very good improvement, but it's nothing like the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb. I measured 3,050 maximum lux at the brightest point on this wall. Mind you, this is 426% brighter than your stock halogen bulbs. If you've been driving with your halogen bulbs for a very long time and you switch to this, you're going to be blown away by the transformation of your driving experience. Isn't it wild to see that much light output improvement by simply changing out one bulb on each side of your vehicle? In my opinion, there is no other option when upgrading your headlight unless you replace the entire headlight assembly. Now I'm going to show you how to actually install this bulb. You do have to pull the headlight out. So go to Headlight Revolution right now, type in that year, make, and model so that way you get the right bulbs when you're upgrading the lights on your Ram. Now, I'm going to show you how to do the install. To get them installed, first thing you need to do is pop the hood. Now just grab yourself a 10mm socket and remove the 3 bolts holding this headlight in. Get all 3 of those bolts removed and you can pull the headlight housing towards you. Then locate your one bulb on the back side and pull this red tab. Now you can disconnect the OEM wiring, turn your bulb counterclockwise, and then pull it away. Grab your Ultra 3 H13 bulb, connect it to the OEM connector, it plugs right in, and then put that bulb back into the headlight housing and lock it in place. Make sure that it's aligned properly so that the LEDs are shooting out. To raise or lower the light output, get yourself a Phillips head screwdriver, and underneath this rubber piece in the center, you're gonna pull it away. You can reach that in there and turn it clockwise to raise up the headlight housing or counterclockwise to raise the light output down. It's important that you align these properly. You've got to make sure that you're not blinding oncoming drivers. Watch our other video after this one if you really want to dial in your aim. Now, for whatever reason that light output wasn't as refined as you see in this video, your bulb wasn't probably aimed properly. So if it's sitting like that, it's gonna bounce off those reflectors all weird and then blind oncoming drivers. That's not what we want. GTR Lighting made this super easy to adjust. All you gotta do is turn it like this. You don't even need an Allen key or anything. You can just turn it. Now when you lock it in place, your LEDs will be horizontal, and then this cord needs to sit down. That's all it takes to align this bulb. It's super easy. Do the same thing on each side and you're good to go. Now, if all you want to do is see better at night but have a super simple install, the Ultra 3 is for you. We even had you guys post in the comments your favorite bulb out there, and every single bulb that we had tested compared to the Ultra 3, this was about 20 to 30% brighter. It is extremely bright, but it's also not just scattering the light all over the place. It actually does a good job by keeping you safe when you're driving down the road. If you want to see everything else that we've tested as far as lighting goes for your Ram that we actually recommend, go to headlightrevolution.com today.